If you're searching for work from home opportunities, maybe you're someone that's working a 9-to-5 job right now and you just want to stay at home in the comfort of your own apartment or house and still generate income, then you're in the right place. What I'm going to reveal to you is an incredibly simple work from home opportunity that myself and over 16,000 other people inside of our community have been doing in only about 1 or 2 hours a day to make a full-time income. Now, be sure you stick with me through the entire video, because even towards the end, I'm going to reveal a secret strategy you can use to 10x your results if you decide to do this exact opportunity. Last but not least, there's going to be a link directly below, so at any point in this video, if you do want to go further and get this set up in just 48 hours so you can start earning as soon as possible, again, just click the link directly below and you can check out much more information. So let's go ahead and get into it. So to share a quick story with you, I used to want to work from home. I was a waiter. I was on my feet for 10 hours a day. I hated my job. I had a nagging boss, and I just wanted to work from home to be able to make money on my own terms. And I started searching, and I tried almost everything. I tried drop shipping. I tried network marketing. I tried affiliate marketing, as you've been following me for a while. And the thing I discovered recently that's been changing the game for people, specifically beginners, is something called digital marketing. Now, digital marketing is where you simply recommend products online, and when someone buys through your own link, you can earn money. Now, with the opportunity I want to share with you today, you can literally earn 100% profit paid instantly to a PayPal, Cash App, Payoneer, Stripe, however you want to collect the money. And the amazing thing is, with this specific opportunity and blueprint that I discovered, is it even gives you a fully done for you automated system that's going to do all the selling, telling, and following up with your leads for you. So all you have to do is get people to click your link, and everything else is taken care of. Now, I want to share with you some key strategies that you can use if you do decide to go to the link below and you decide to actually access this automated system. Now, again, going back to basics so you fully understand, all you do is you promote products. So if you've ever told a friend about a movie in the theater that you saw and you thought it was absolutely incredible and they went and watched the movie in the theater, or if you've ever had the experience where you went to a new restaurant in your neighborhood, you had amazing food, you loved the place, and then you told a friend to go and they actually went to the restaurant. If you've done that, you've been recommending and promoting products, because the restaurant and the movie are products and you're simply recommending people. So you're already doing the work. And if you're someone that has a Wi-Fi connection and you've been posting on social media, then you literally have this entire process already done. You just have yet to be making money from it. So again, what I'm going to share with you right now is exactly how you can use this exact opportunity to generate up to $900 a day, 100% profit. Now, the first thing you want to do is, once you have your automated system, you want to get about 40 people a day clicking your link. Why 40? Because we find inside of this opportunity, if you can get 40 people to click your link, one person will buy, okay? And if you want a daily sale, if you want to make $900 a day, and I know that seems too good to be true, when I had bills piling up, when I had dropped out of college and I was a waiter, I could not imagine how simple this actually worked. But when I started seeing the results of not just people that have done this before, but brand new people that had never done anything online, and they were able to also generate $900, $1,000, and much, much more using this simple process, I started to believe it was possible. And then I started doing it myself, and that's when everything changed for me. So the two main methods I recommend to get people to click your link is, number one, copy and pasting ads on social media. Social media is full of people, millions of people that want to actually make money online, start their own business. These are the type of people we want to target. So when you actually copy and paste advertisements on social media, this will start to attract people to you that want to actually make money online and get started with a business. These are the perfect people to send your link to. The other strategy we teach inside of our community, again, at the link below, you'll see more, is what we teach is how to actually create 3 pieces of content per day. So this could be videos, this could be photos, this could be text. And what we do is we post that also on social media. So this could be on Facebook, Facebook, this could be an Instagram story, this could be a TikTok video that's under a minute long. And what we do is we post that content on social media, and again, interested people will respond. So people that are interested in going further, people that want to find out much more information, they're going to actually respond to these posts and ask us for more information. They're going to ask us, how exactly does this work? How does this business, this opportunity function? And then all you have to do is send them your link to the automated system that's going to be created for you. And then the system will do all the selling, telling, and following up, allowing you to generate commissions and money into your bank account even while you're sleeping. So if you're watching this, I just had to share my top work from home opportunity. This is an absolute game changer, and it's literally instant PayPal money, because you can get this instantly into a PayPal, a Cash App, or whatever it is you truly want. So if you want to know more, go to the link directly below, put your best email in, and then look out for an email from me where you're going to see much more information as well as how to get started with this opportunity today. Be sure you also like this video if you got value, subscribe for my next videos coming in the following days, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Take care.